Hello, YouTube.com. My name is Ojama Garrett. I am a YouTuber, a smaller YouTuber, and I want to show you how I've been getting subscribers on YouTube as a small YouTube channel. This is like real, legitimate, not like those other channels that kind of like are over sensationalized. I just want to kind of talk about a little bit of what I do to get subscribers. So let's hop right into it. This is my main channel, the one that I am doing the best on. This one's about 5 months old. And like I'm brand new, I have no background in this, so I feel like it's easily repeatable for people. If we go to my dashboard, I have 341 subs. My last video did almost 1,000 videos or views. Sorry. If we go to the analytics, they got me 32 subs, 44 watch hours, etc. So the things I've been doing to get subscribers is to first, it's a kind of a the first thing I do, I'll just say it as I get it. So the first thing I do is I try to do tutorials or education. And then in my educational videos, like this one, Money Talks Engagement, I got 11 subs off of it. This is going to be nothing new to you if you've ever watched a YouTube tips video, is to ask for subscribers. So in this, in this video, I remember asking, "Hey man, if you really, if you want to learn how to make money, you're a new player, from a guy who gives a shit if you make money or not." So that authenticity thing, just being real, not trying to over sensationalize it, but just make my claim. Then please consider subscribing, support the channel, whatever. That'll motivate me to help you. The more subs I get, the more I'll want to come to the channel, like saying things like that. Then the other thing I've been doing, the main thing I've been doing, I've just recently picked this up, is that I'll do a pilot episode of an idea. So like when I put a pilot episode, when I've been putting pilot, it changes the expectation of the viewer. Then I didn't even do a thumbnail here. So then I did pilot, and then I said, or I tried my idea out, got 12 subs, 63 watch hours, almost 1,000 views, decent whatever watch time. Kind of mixed bag and results, whatever, but I got enough attention there that I figured that I'd make the actual video itself. So then, if you come over here to Road to 1 Trillion, actual debut, because the idea worked out, boom, 32 subscribers, 44, whatever, 914. And the engagement is really well on this one. It is 42 and 2 for likes to dislike ratio. And that is going to be like the main tip I want to say is like a pilot. I don't know if I haven't seen any other tip people do this, but do a pilot so you can do a low effort video where you don't really polish the idea. And then if the idea is the way you like, pursue the idea. But if you don't like the way the idea works, but you kind of wanted to try it out and just to get it out of your head, then just chuck it away. But if you get this is a good way to just like try some ideas out, but not put a lot of effort into it so that you don't ruin your motivation for something. Plus then you can also try out more ideas and then like pick the better ones and then leave the bad ones behind, and that's going to give you better quality content because you kind of have a data, you have like a you have, it's an experiment, you have data to back up your idea if it's a good or a bad idea, and then you can move on with it or do the same thing. But yeah, so that's my quick video on how to get subs as a smaller YouTuber. I've been using this strategy to gain YouTubers or to gain subscribers here. To gain, I'm on triple digits on my main channel. Or the one I is like my home channel for me to like mess around on. This is like my main. I'll just go into it quickly. This is like my main channel to try stuff out, and this is like perfect. You know what I mean? Like it's a different channel with different viewers, so I don't have to worry about losing my old school RuneScape fans, or not fans, but subscribers. And then just try stuff out. This one was like 381, so I remember that. So then this was making a video game in ChatGPT that got a little bit of views. This one is my series to my YouTube journey, managing whatever, and this is kind of doing okay. So I'm just running with this in my main channel. But I've done this here. I've done this on my 7 days channel. This is another triple digits 5-month-old channel, and it's the same thing. So I just do experiments and then measure the results. Like here, this is one idea that popped off really well. If I can go back a page. So this is like my first one. I did this one a long time ago. This was June 3rd. 2,500 views. So then I kept that in my mind. And so keeping that in mind, I did a different tier list. That one did 100 views in a day or a couple days. Yeah, a couple days. I did a food tier list, which did 36. I did a new weapons one, which did 464. If we and those are just ideas to keep in my mind. If I don't know what to make for content today when I'm working on content for the channel, I know I can do another tier list of that, and it'll do okay for views. I may get a sub or two off of it. Tutorials. There's right here. This is my main one. If you're brand new, this was an idea that if you're brand new, do this first. And then I'm like, wait a minute, I can make it better. So I did it again, got 545, and I did it again. Wait a minute, I didn't. What was the last time I did it again? I remember I did it a few times, but then that told me that ideas that tutorials for this channel are what's going to work. Because then I started doing beginner series, tips and tricks, coaching series, the best starting strategy, all this other stuff. And like, you know, I had a streak of success here, and then just doing that type of iterative process, I slowly started gaining subscribers. Even though this channel slowed down a little bit more, but that's how I'm getting them. So there you go. Happy birthday. See you later. Please subscribe. Well, yeah, subscribe. I need this channel to do something. I need to know questions. If you have a question about YouTube or whatever and I can answer, just answer me in the comments down below. I need this channel to start popping up. I'm trying to like document my growth as a YouTuber on our channel itself for people to come follow. If I ever make it, then you'll be able to come back and watch from the beginning and just kind of follow the order. But it would be nice for me to tailor content. One of the best ways for me that I've been able to make content for other channels. So this is another tip on the end. Is that when people leave comments, I ask them to leave comments down below of questions they have. So then the next video I make, I'm making it for that one person. And then if you're making it for one person, you make it for more people. So that's all I got. All right. Catch you later. Please subscribe. Please comment, like, whatever. See you later.